Hey guys, Mark Lyon here, Lion Horses, helping you be the person your horse deserves. Today, we're gonna work on the trailer, getting ready to go on the road this summer. So I'm gonna show you what I do on my trailer to make sure it's ready to go, and hopefully this tip will help you prevent some problems of your own. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go on the road, and so I've just finished doing all the maintenance that I'm gonna need to do. I do this every year. I take off the hub, and I make sure all the bearings are packed. I pack them all, make sure they're all good. Reinstall them, make sure the tension's good, check the brakes. Yeah, just check over everything, make sure everything's good to go. This axle here is a 15,000 pound axle, 16,000 pound axle. Pretty good size. On this one, you can either have oil bath hubs or these are greased hubs. And you have to take off those little bolts and pull this cover off, and then you got to reinstall it. So it takes a little bit more time, but it's important before you head on the road. Make sure, do a little maintenance, just at least once a year. Make sure your hubs are greased, your seals are good, everything's good. Yeah, just make sure everything's gonna be fine. On this one, you know, what I use, it's a little bit over on the oversized deal. Lug nuts, yeah, they're 1.5 inches is the socket that I use to turn them on there, and they get I think 550 foot-pounds of torque on those. So pretty good torque on those things. So yeah, I've got a little torque multiplier that I put them on. But yeah, just make sure that you guys are checking your trailer out. Take it to a shop or learn how to do it yourself. Something that actually my intern is, she got a trailer just a little bit ago, and so we're working on hers just to kind of show her some of the things that are kind of underneath the skin that she can keep an eye on and learn how to fix herself. So anyway, hope this tip helps. Remember, be safe out there. Catch you guys later.